Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change the colors of a Trello card so that you can organize your boards with a more visual system. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to log in into your Trello board and then you need to simply select the board that contains the card that you want to customize. As you can see, currently I'm in my weekly tasks board. Over here, you need to open the card by clicking on it. Then it is going to show you this type of option in front of you. Now over here, you will see the second option of labels. So click on the option of labels and here you will see a bunch of different color options like green, orange, blue, red, purple, etc. So you can choose the one or more colors and you can apply them to your card. You can also just take a look at this pencil icon right next to it in order to change the color of your label, and you can also give it a title. So based on the priority of your task, you can just provide it like high priority or in progress. So here let me give you the example of it. So if any of the task is high priority, you can just type high priority over here, and you can just give it a green color, or you can also give it a red color. Then you can click on the option of save in the bottom. Now you can click on the option of label and make sure that you check it out over here. So this way you will be able to just once you close the card, you will see that your card has now this label which is in the green color. You can select multiple labels over here as well. So again, you need to click over here, click on the option of plus icon, select the second label that you want, and it will come over here just like so. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.